To succeed in life, you have to be intentional. Intentional how, you might wonder? Well, intentional like beavers. You know the thing about beavers? They are motivated, they're focused, they're disciplined, and determined. They never give up. Now, shout it out for me. What are beavers famously known for?
Yes.
Damn right! Beavers are famous for building dams. In fact, did you know that beavers, these cute little critters, have built a dam so huge that it's visible from space? Now you must be wondering, why do beavers build dams? Maybe they're trying to impress Mrs. Beaver through engineering. Alright? Maybe they're building dams so that they can sleep in it. Well, if that's your answer, you're almost right. Okay? But beavers don't actually sleep in dams. They instead sleep in places like the lodge. Now at this point, you're probably asking, look Josh, I'm here to learn how to not to waste my life. But here you are, going on and on about beavers, lodges, dams. But hear me out. You see, we all want to live a life that is worth something, don't we? A life of achievements then, if you think about it, requires us to confront hardships. And sometimes we just feel like giving up, don't we? These are the times when the waves of chaos just come crashing at your doorstep. You know, it makes you want to just hide in your little lodges, okay, and start blaming the world that you're born at the wrong place and at the wrong time. You see, beavers live their whole lives with literal waves crashing at their doorstep. But what do? Stick after stick, stone after stone, beavers embrace their circumstances. They embrace it by building a dam so huge so that they can create out of a river the perfect lake. They created this so that they can house their lodge in a safe and quiet lake. Since my teenage years, I've lived the beaver life, the intentional life. Stick after stick, stone after stone. I worked hard. I worked my ass off. I swam hard like a beaver. I didn't allow procrastination to stop me. I pushed myself towards greatness. I did everything that people said I couldn't do. And I never allowed failure to stop me. I saved up. I worked hard. I picked the right degree. Now sticks and stones may break my bone, but it won't stop me from paying off my student loans. You see that? That little lodge that's protected by that huge dam? That's what I want in my life and yours. So don't waste it. Now with this, I'd like to end my talk today with one single thought for you. If beavers can build a dam, then you can give a damn. Thank you.
Hey, hello! Wake up! 2 o'clock already! You want me to do this for the rest of your life?
That was a good dream. It seems so real.